Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to show you how to make a stem and leaf plot. So a stem and leaf plot is used to display information that you have. So let's say the elements that I'm dealing with are 40, 36, 29, 28, 10, 23. And I want to display this information via a stem and leaf plot. So I'm going to split up two columns, one for my stem and one for my leaf. And your stem is just going to be your tens digits. So starting with the lowest one, I see that my lowest tens digit is 1. So I'm going to put a 1 in here as my stem. My leaves for the stem of 1 are simply all of the ones digits that are associated with anything with a 1 in the tens digit. So the only number that I have here that has a 1 in the tens digit is 10. So I'm going to put that 0 as my leaf. Now I'm going to move on to the 2's. So I'll start with the lowest one, which is 23, which means that I'm putting a 3 in my leaf. And then I have a 28, so an 8 is going to go in with my leaves, and I have a 29, and a 9 is going to go here. If I had another 28 or 29, I do double it. So I do have to write a 9 again if I have a duplicate of the number. Now I'm going to go to my 3, and 36 is the only number with 3 in the tens, so I'm going to put a 6 here. And then lastly, I have 40, which I'm going to break up like that. And this is the stem and leaf plot that would represent this data above. My name is Maria, and I just showed you how to make a stem and leaf plot.